What's going on, guys? HK Strongside here. Thanks for joining me today. This is actually the second time that I am attempting to film this video. I was working on this morning, and my neighbors called me and their basement had flooded. Here in Utah, I had an earthquake just a few days ago, and I guess it messed up their water heater. So they had tons of water in their basement. Ran over there with my boys, helped haul stuff out. Now they've got the emergency crew there cleaning up water. I know, social distancing, you do what you gotta do, right? We take care of each other. And I hope you guys are taking care of those around you where you can and still being safe. I hope you guys are safe and not having to deal with the coronavirus. This thing is a mess. Hopefully we can get this thing worked out soon and get back to prospering, right? Riding dirt bikes, having fun, enjoying the summer. Summer's coming up. So today I'm super excited because we are going to install this Optimate 1 Duo by Moose. We're gonna install the pigtail anyway on the Husky so that we can just plug that right in when we get done with the ride and make sure we have a nice charged battery because, you know, no Kickstarter. It has to have a battery. And as always, I don't know what I'm doing, so this is me installing it. I'm not necessarily suggesting you follow the same steps that I take because, you know, knowing how things have been going in the past, it's gonna work out well, I'm sure. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what we got. A little unboxing video here. Nice. I bought this, well, one of the mechanics talked me into it, and so we'll see how it goes. All right, so we got our charging unit, got our alligator clips, which we won't be using on this bike because we are going to install this pigtail here. If I can get this off. Yeah, okay, fuse, and then cool. So I think how this will work is we can run a zip tie through there and we'll just hide it somewhere inside the frame and make it easy to get to. Let's put it on. All right, guys, so this is the no judgment zone. I make no claims to really know what I'm doing here, so just figuring it out as I go. But that's where, you know, we all start somewhere. We all suck when we first begin. And what I mean by no judgment, I know it's dirty. It has one ride on it. I will clean it before I go riding again, I promise. Let's get the seat off. I decided to use some power tools this time instead of the kit. All right, so seat just slides back, seat slides back, seat slides back. Oh, it's a little dusty in there. We'll just kind of. Okay, I had to flip the bike around. I think the right side is going to be where we're going to want to install this. I've just kind of run it through right here, just to the right of the tank. There's just a little more space, and then I think what I'll do is I will mount it just like right up underneath there like that, and then that will just be tucked out of the way, and we'll have plenty of room to run our cables, and I think that's going to work out. All right, so let's, next thing is we got to pull these leads off the battery and stick the pigtails on. Let's do it. Okay, so try to do this without blocking the camera too much. Get some zip ties here and put that around there. Actually, I want to do the other side because I'm going to have it come up on the right side, and then I can reach down behind the gas tank and pull up on that. Oh, you dummy. Remember that disclaimer that I don't know what I'm doing? Come on, guys. Jeez. Okay, so we'll go through here, back around, back up through here. Oh, okay, that works better. Okay, so now we'll just reach in here, pull up on that. And I think what I'm gonna do is to keep this from sliding around out there. So I'm gonna zip tie this cable over here, and hopefully that'll keep that pigtail from sliding around too much. Man, that's slippery. Speaking of sliding around too much. Okay. Something like that to help hold this in place. Back up in there. Something like that. Looking good. It's nice and tight. Okay, so I went and I put a second zip tie in there, and just hoping that'll just make it a little more secure and stay in place. All right, now let's get this installed. Positive first, and it's probably gonna have this wind up, be under there like that. There, that works good. Okay, let's see what's gonna be the best. Looks like there's a flush mount and a mount that's not quite as flush. It's a less flush mount. Tighten that off with the by hand. After, you don't want to strip those out. That's faux show. Okay, that one will go like that over there, nice and easy. Looks good. Just give this a little hand crank. Gosh grief, I'm always dropping my tools and parts, and if I ever do an install and I don't actually drop something, it's gonna be a miracle. You wanna make sure these are nice and tight though. I've had battery leads come off on our four-wheelers many times, and that's actually something I'm gonna wanna put in my toolkit, is extra bolts and nuts for the battery terminals. Okay, what do you think? Maybe I get a zip tie in there. All right, nice and tight. Okay, so that looks good there, nice and tight, clean. Slid this out of the way. You can see the, I don't know if you can see them down in there or not, if that's focusing. Holding this on, and then you got that, plug it in. Let's give this a testaroo here. Pull that off. That works. Okay. I feel like Clark Griswold. Works. All right, guys, get some charge going. I have not charged this battery since I got it. I've had it out on several rides, but yep, there I am dropping stuff again. Optimate 1 Duo by Moose. Super easy install, little pigtail action, you know, gotta have a charger. If you found this video even mildly entertaining, or any of my other videos, I'd really appreciate a sub and a like. I would like to start making more videos. I really enjoy doing this. Now with the bike, I'm gonna get out and, you know, you guys can watch me screw things up. It's gonna be fun, good times. I appreciate you watching my videos. Thanks for stopping by. This is HK Strongside, and as always, take it easy.